Hey, how's everybody doing? This is Forrest with Forrest Buys Houses. It is February the 21st, 2020. And as you guys can see, it's beautiful. Cold, but beautiful. Not a cloud in the sky. And it's just awesome. I want you to come in and see what we've done on the house. House is a little dusty because we've been refinishing the floor. So this house is close, y'all. Real close. So we've got hardwood floors refinished. If you can smell it. I love the way it smells. But we've got that going on. We got some stains in the floors, but I love them. And I think they add character. I think that people are buying a 70-year-old house and they want to see some of the history, right? There's memories here, right? And people want that and they want to make new memories. And you know, the guy he said, why don't you stain the floor? I said, no, I don't want to. He said, me either. He said, I like them more like this. So we decided to go with the stains. I did want to show you guys this. This guy took the time to do this floor right. Okay, you can see how he toothed in the new hardwood to the old hardwood. He didn't just make a box like lazy people do. He actually took the time to do this right. Does that not look great, or does that not look great? I mean, you know, you have to give credit where credit is due. That is how a hardwood floor guy is supposed to do their job. So you come here, you see how pretty they are. The shoe mold will go down tomorrow. Probably shouldn't be walking on the floor. It's only been dry for about 24 hours, but I won't let people work on it. There's some more stains. They'll start working on it tomorrow. And there's some more stains there, but all in all, floor looks great. I'm happy. I can't wait to cut the check on that one. So that hallway just looks fantastic. All right, the bathroom, I think we saw this in the last video, but the plumbing's been installed. Everything's good on that. Just got a few little patch and punch list items on this room here. And then the kitchen pretty much looks the same, except for, I think we got the appliances in since the last video. And the faucet's in, the appliances are getting ready to be hooked up. We have the microwave sitting right there. And there's still other things we gotta do, like we had to cut the door down, so we gotta do a threshold that will seal that up. You know, there's always something to do. But house is definitely coming together. It's looking great. I think the hardwood floor is turning out fantastic. This house is warm, inviting, and it's gonna make somebody a great home. And you know, it's amazing how much stuff you pull out of a house, right? That's the second dumpster on this house. And we still have a bunch of stuff in the garage to take care of as well. So, appreciate you guys coming along on the journey. The next video will be pretty much the wrapped up video on this house. Oh yeah, so I kept talking about how, you know, what I was gonna do with this back porch. Well, I just kept taking things apart until I liked the way it looked. So now every home inspector is always gonna say you need a railing. Even though code says 30 inches from the ground, above 30 inches from the ground, if the landing's there, then you need a railing, but they're gonna do it anyway. So either the appraising company is gonna do it or the home inspector is gonna do it. So, you know, why fight it? I'm just gonna go ahead and put a railing in right there, and then that's it. And then it'll just be pretty. I'll make sure that all this stuff is cleaned up to where it looks nice. And the laundry room has been done. We have the hot water heater installed. We haven't hooked up the wiring yet because you always do that last after it's got water in it. And the floor's been done. Shoe molding and the baseboard needs to be caulked. But other than that, this house coming together really nicely. So tell your friends if they have a problem with the house, call Forrest, because we're the house problem solvers. All right, y'all take care. Have a great day. Thanks for looking. And if you guys want an awesome hardwood floor guy, let me know. All right, take care. Bye-bye.